Hi, this is Jason from SA Shares, and today we are going to be taking a look at Exness. Be sure to like, subscribe, and click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Exness has a massive client base and over 10 years of industry experience, with several top-tier regulations behind its name. You will have the option of choosing either a standard account or a professional account, and each account offers favorable trading conditions and are designed to accommodate different trading needs. If you are new to trading, you can find trading courses, market insights, webinars, and more on the Exness Academy educational website. Unfortunately, there does not seem to be a direct link to the site on the main website. The links for the Exness Academy educational website will be in the description. This broker is a great option for beginners, and you can practice on a demo account at your own pace with no risks. Exness specializes in the trading of various financial instruments, including forex, cryptocurrencies, shares, stocks, and commodities. You will have access to more than 100 forex trading pairs, over 80 stocks, 13 cryptocurrencies, and 12 metals and energies. Exness offers 3 main account types: a standard account, standard cent account, professional accounts, a demo account, as well as a swap-free Islamic account. Their standard account is commission-free market execution account types that are rich in features and suit the needs of today's traders. Their standard account is their most popular account and is great for all types of traders. With stable spreads, no requotes, and great execution. Their standard cent account is a great option for new traders that prefer to trade smaller lots and want to start with a lower capital investment. Their professional accounts requires a minimum deposit of $500, with spreads from 0.0 pips, and is suited to more experienced traders and higher trading volumes. The Exness professional accounts feature raw spread, zero, and pro accounts. These accounts cater to the most experienced traders. The benefits include super low spreads, execution to suit scalpers, day traders, and algorithmic traders. You can test your strategies using virtual money in a risk-free demo account environment, and swap-free accounts are available and suitable for clients of the Muslim faith. Available platforms are featured on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, the Exness web and desktop terminals, and their very own mobile trading application. MetaTrader 4 is the most popular trading platform used in the trading community today. It allows for flexible trading with numerous trading strategies, provision for both instant and market execution orders. Technical analysis can be used with a variety of tools, such as 23 different analytical objects, along with 30 built-in indicators. Order trading is also made possible through expert advisors. MetaTrader 5 is the upgrade from MetaTrader 4 and provides traders with a variety of features in addition to what MetaTrader offers. You get access to the Meta Editor, a hedging system, additional charts and timeframes, provision made for fundamental analysis, along with 38 built-in indicators and 22 analytical tools. The Exness web terminal can be run directly from your browser. There is no need to download or install software, and includes features of all the basic functions that traders need and use to trade effectively. You get trading operations of various types, quotes are provided in real time, access to price charts which are fully customizable, and basic analytical objects. The Exness terminal is similar to the web terminal in that it is a browser version of a trading terminal. The main advantage is that it is both a web browser and mobile browser friendly. The Exness terminal is entirely developed by the Exness developers and this means that Exness has the ability to continuously improve it in order to give their customers a better user experience. Exness also have their own tailor-made mobile applications developed by their in-house developers. Mobile versions are available for the MetaTrader mobile application, the Exness Trader application, while the Exness Terminal, MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 are available as web-based browser applications or supported on Windows and iOS operating systems. Opening an account with Exness is simple and easy. First, click on the Open Account button, and then complete the online registration form and submit your details. Real traders will need to provide their proof of identity documents. And as easy as that, you can start trading. Once you have completed your registration, you will be redirected to your Exness personal terminal. Choose your desired account, either a demo account or a real account. Once you have chosen your account type, you can start trading almost instantly. Real traders again will need to provide their proof of identity documents before they can deposit their funds and trade on their live accounts. This is the Exness terminal. In the center you have your graph. On the left, a variety of tools and options for you to choose from. You can contact support, visit your personal area, switch to the MetaTrader terminal if you prefer, view your history, purchases, and your watch list. If you would like to learn more about how to use the Exness terminal, be sure to check out their educational academy that feature video tutorials in platform functionality, whether it's the MetaTrader platforms or the Exness terminal. All education will be provided to help you get started. With regards to educational resources, the Exness Help Center will answer any questions that you have, whether it's getting started, how to navigate your personal area, what payment systems to use, any help you would need in platform functionality, how to start trading as a beginner, and many more written educational topics. The Exness Academy provides information on topics such as the essentials of trading, which caters specifically to beginner traders in teaching and helping them understand the core of what trading is. Development which can aid traders to build on their skills by teaching them to manage risk and providing them with the opportunity to study other traders. Exness provides webinars that are normally scheduled ahead of time, as well as a glossary that features terms used in the trading community from A to Z. This is not only used by beginner traders, but also more experienced traders who need a point of reference. In addition to their educational resources, Exness also provides insights and analysis along with news from markets, which can not only be used by beginners, but also by more experienced traders who want to keep up to date with insights, analysis, and various news topics from different markets. Exness also provides a range of research tools that you can use as a trader, such as calculators that can be used to calculate the basics of trading positions, including margin, point profit, swap long, short, and several others. They include a currency converter, virtual private server hosting, a market analysis calendar, web TV, and statistics to help you with any additional information that you might be looking for. Exness have also won a variety of awards through the course of the broker's lifetime. Some of their more recent awards include the Most Transparent Forex Broker of 2019 by World Finance, the Global Forex Broker of the Year of 2019 by the European, the Best Customer Support Award and the Best Premium Loyalty Program by the Financial Markets Exhibition in Cairo. Overall, Exness welcomes beginners and professional traders alike, offering flexible accounts with competitive trading conditions and a wide range of trading instruments that can be traded on the MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, or on the proprietary Exness mobile and desktop platforms. For individuals or companies seeking to partner with Exness, an affiliates program is provided, and you can either choose to get up to 40% of the revenue earned by Exness, or you have the option of making a profit off of every client that signs up with Exness through you. If you are new to trading and would like to try a demo account with Exness, please remember that you will have access to plenty of educational resources if you visit the Exness Academy, which is on another website. The link will be provided in the description. And that is our overview of Exness. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.